All right, heading on out. Every day is a new day. We are at 6:46 a.m. Starting to get daylight. Sunrise is, or dawn, whatever they call it, is at 7 a.m. and daylight is at 7:30 a.m. Looking up, getting ready to go. Well, this will be today's forecast. Small craft advisory in effect this afternoon through this evening. Today, south winds 5 to 10 knots, gusts 15 knots, wind waves 1 foot. Wow, that's awesome. That doesn't happen very often. And swells only 4 foot. So, should be pretty nice. It is 6:30 a.m. Been up for a half hour already. And let's see. It says it's 42, but it was 37 when I left. Doing the normal stop. Starbucks action. I head right over there. That's where the cheap ice is. It's $1 a bag instead of $2.49 at the dock. And the normal free bagel from my points at Starbucks because I'm a cheapskate. Okay, December 3rd. It's a Tuesday. Very nice ocean today. Supposed to be small craft advisory late this afternoon, which won't be us. We won't be out here. We have things to do. I know, everybody knows. Going to the normal spot. Got it on autopilot. I just had this pole sitting in the pole holder. Apparently there's a fish on it. Didn't even know it. You might be a little tired by now. Jeez, that's a fatty. Look at that sucker. Well, that was on the dark one, so we'll assume that they're going to bite on the dark ones. But that could be why they're not biting very good. Look how fat that guy is. Look at that belly. This sucker is fat. And this is where these little paperclip snaps come in handy. Instead of having to squeeze and hurt your fingers trying to get things on off, just go like this and it's off. Easy to get on the eye, even with cold fingers and gloves. The other ones were easier. Boom. Done. Well, I think I'll reel this one up. Go through that drift again. Oh, I think I got a fish on here too. I guess that's the trick. Just set it and forget it. Set it and forget it. He's kind of little. So this is how you set them back to the bottom. Put that on there. Grab a little heavier pole. He looks all tired. I'll grab this one here. There we go. And just set that so we can see how far down. We'll just set them down to, I don't know, 90 feet or so. Geez, a little crowded out here. Not used to that. Must be a research boat or something. Maybe. You give it a couple jerks. And then the fish should be off of there. Uh-oh, didn't come off. Well, sorry about that. I have to jerk harder. That dude's gonna be real tired. Huh. Okay, put him down 90 feet. Make sure to jerk that good enough to get that sucker off there. He's not off there this time. I'll just keep him. There, that's how it's supposed to work. Jerk on it. I think it got me a good one. Got me a lingcod, I think. Get this ready. Nice fighting them on this little tiny pole. This has been a, you know, it takes a little more work with this pole, but the sensitivity when you're trying to catch them, you can feel everything. Got 30-pound braided line on here, so it's not too thick. Super sensitive. There comes a little feller. What's that? Cabezon or something? Yeah, jeez. It's a big old cabezon. They actually fight pretty good. But pretty sure those are illegal right now. Do this, get a good look at them. All right, bye-bye. Another cabezon. That little feller. Is that a yellow eye? It's got black.
As follows. In all areas, 2 to 4 foot swell. Visibility is at 5 nautical miles. Winds are light and variable, and the bar is currently unrestricted. However, most operators are encouraged to have everyone wear a life jacket break.
December 3rd. You'd think it was summertime. Feels like it's like 60 degrees out here. No wind. Super flat. Decent amount of boats out here. But the only thing that's off is actually seen a lot of fish. Seen some fish schools. Probably got some on the GoPro. It's just a slow bite. They're not really biting. But caught a cabezon. I had to let go. A really big one. At least I think it's big for a cabezon. And then a yellow eye, which I descended back down to the bottom where I got him. And then this guy. Oops. I bonked you. And then this guy. Big fatty. But I'm gonna call it good. It's kind of slow fishing. Got stuff to do.